Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have your sales and cost numbers. Now place them side by side so Excel can calculate. In column B, enter revenue, column C, enter cost for each line. Once done, format those columns as currency so totals read clearly. Next, in column D, you will create a single formula to compute profit or loss per row. This step lets Excel do the math consistently. Make sure there are no text entries in numeric cells. If a cell is empty, enter 0 to avoid errors. You will type equals B2C2 in D2 to get profit or loss for that transaction. This explicitly subtracts cost from revenue so you see net value. After entering it once, drag or double-click the fill handle to copy down, which keeps references relative and fast. Once filled, apply conditional formatting to column D so negatives show in red and positives in green. This visual cue speeds review. If numbers don't match, check for hidden rows or text-formatted cells that break arithmetic. Now create totals, some revenue, some cost, and some profit in separate cells to confirm arithmetic. The three totals should align because profit sums equal revenue minus cost. Then calculate profit percentage per row with equals D2/B2 and format as %. Wrap with IFER to avoid divide by zero errors. If your totals don't match, look for non-numeric entries using isNumber or convert text to numbers with value. This fixes silent calculation errors. Finally, save a copy before major edits so you can roll back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.